Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. I am Jamie Beth. Today we're going to do another Halloween look, and today's look is going to be a fire and ice inspired look. Now I am doing a look like this for my annual Halloween party, but it's not going to be this makeup. So if you are a family or friend that is coming to that party, this isn't the look. Anyways, I have prepped my skin and I have done some I added some makeup to my face. So I have a little bit of foundation, a little bit some primer. I have kind of blocked out my eyebrows, so when I put the dark and the light makeup on, my eyebrows should not be showing up, hopefully. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. I do videos every other Wednesday and every other Friday. My Wednesday videos are more beauty related, and then my Friday videos are story time and makeup, where I tell a spooky, scary, paranormal story, or I talk about someone that I thought was interesting enough to tell a story about them. It's bizarre and weird, and anything remotely scary is what I talk about while I put on makeup. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, hit the like button. Please leave me a comment down below if you want to leave some type of spooky emoji to let me know that you're here, or if you want to tell me what costume you are going to be for Halloween, if you are going to any Halloween parties this year, or if you go trick-or-treating with your children, do you dress up? And if you do, what do you wear? We are jumping right in, and what I'm going to start first is I'm going to outline the like just going down my face with an outline, because I'm going to have like a fire area and a ice area. So that is what we're going to start off with, just kind of mapping how we want to do this. And I think I'm going to start with the ice side because it's going to be a little bit easier to do than the fire side. I'm going to fill in the part that's going to be the ice side in a white cream based foundation. I usually use these, they're the Cream Blend foundations by Mehron, and you can get white, you can get black, and I believe you can get a couple other colors as well as normal foundation colors. But I like to use these when I'm filling in something dark or white, because I just like the way it blends more so than actually using body paint. Now that we have the white on, we're going to go ahead and work on the eye, and I'm just going to kind of do like a dark smoky blue eye, and we're going to add a little bit more detail once I do that, but I'm going to get like that, the base of the shadow down first, and then we'll add some detail. So I have the pretty much base of what I want the eye to look like down. Now what I'm going to do is kind of draw like little lines coming up, kind of to give, I guess, that frozen like look to it. So that is what we are going to do right now. We have the eye pretty much where we want it to be. I'm going to add some liner, I'm going to add some mascara, and then we're going to call it quits on that. And then I'm going to do some shadowing around my face and around my décolletage area and my shoulders. I'm just going to line half of my lips in blue, and we are then going to move over to the fire side of the face. Okay, I think our ice side looks good, and we are going to stop messing with it. Now I'm going to move into the fire side, And the thing that I want to do with the fire side is kind of make it look like there's like lava or like fire coming through like a cracked surface. So I'm going to draw like little areas and then fill them in with red, orange, and yellow. Wanted to cut in real quick. I am just adding some color right now to the areas that I want the color to be. It's okay if you go outside these lines because again, you're filling in the rest of it with black. A little wonky, I know, but it will come together. This is gonna take some time, so just take your time and put the shadows in the areas that you want. Now you want to remember light in the middle, medium, and then dark around the edges, and that will give you a blended look that you want to have. Do now is fill in the black parts on the face, and then I'm going to also add some eyeliner and some mascara to the eye. I like the way it's looking so far, and then we can just come down into the neck area. I want to kind of do this top part first and then go into the neck area. I'm going to start off with just making those lines a little sharper and a little darker, and then I'm going to go in with black and kind of just blend everything in. Okay, here is the final look. Oh my gosh, I think this turned out so cool. I'm absolutely loving it. You know, I did say something incorrectly before. It looks like I'm burnt. It doesn't look like lava. I guess it's more of a burnt look to me than a like groundbreaking lava type of thing. So we're gonna go with burnt. But I do think that this turned out really cool and I'm really happy about it. I hope you guys like it too. And if you do, again, remember to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, as well as the notification bell next to it to be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.